Alright guys, and the projects just continue here in the garden. It's a nice day, so we went ahead and started to do what we wanted to do back here in this area. We want to install a small little pond to have a water feature. That way we can enjoy the sound when we're out here in the garden. We have some unique plants we're going to put back here for this shaded area. Give it more kind of like a tropical feel, but not really. It's going to be a nice addition to what we're going to put back here, and I think the pond's just going to complete that look that we're going to go for back here. So before we do that, I'm going to let Angie explain what she's going to do prior to doing this this pond here.
So right on this area of the bed, we had planted in, I'm going to say around fall, we planted lemon coral sedum, and then we put, you know, whatever plants we just had laying around, because we just wanted them to winter in the ground. I had some heucheras in there, but they're in the way right now for the pond. So not the right time to be doing this because it's still cold around here. So either way, we need this area for the pond. I went ahead and took out the lemon coral sedum and one of the heucheras, and I'm gonna store it in the garage because the garage has there's lights in there, so I can go ahead and wait till spring and bring them back out. But either way, I wanted to tell y'all the lemon coral sedum had done amazing through the whole winter, and it actually gave us a lot of winter interest, and also it got pretty ugly towards the end. But that's it, guys. That way Ambrose can continue with the pond, and let me go put these in some soil.
Alright guys, so what we're going to put in here is this pond right here. Nothing too big. It's not going to be hard to dig in here since we already had this built up pretty much, and this is just soil that I put in there. So it'll be a bit easier just to dig in there. So we're going to dig this out, put this little pond here. I have a pretty neat little fountain that I got, and I'll show you guys that in a few minutes. But let's dig this out and put this pond in here real quick. Alright guys, so I dug it up enough to fit the pond in here, so we went ahead and set it in there, kind of leveled it out as much as we could. The next thing I'm going to do is I bought this Aquarock fountain kit that I bought, and we're going to install this real quick. It's supposed to be a pondless fountain feature. We're going to go ahead and make it a actual pond water feature, so we're going to install that here. It's pretty cool. It comes with the rock already drilled for the hose, and it comes with this here. So the way it's supposed to be installed is this bucket actually gets dug into the ground, and it sits right on top and it actually falls right into the bucket. We're going to change it up and do it to where it goes into the actual pond and just recycles the water that way. So it comes with this liner that you're supposed to put out over the top of the bucket. That way any water that does fall, it just streams right into the bucket. What we're going to do is we're going to use this liner and just fit it right over the pond here in the back here, so that way where I put my rock here, if it goes into this here, it's just going to fall right back in there.
Wow! Oh! Oh! Help me!
Alright guys, so there we have it. We have our water feature complete. It's actually running now, and it sounds absolutely amazing having it in the garden here. Before we close this video out though, I do want to talk about the purpose of having a water feature in the garden, and that's to invite nature. One of the biggest things that you can invite is frogs, and that takes care of some of the slugs you have in the garden. Back here we're going to have some kind of tropical plants as well, so that'll take care of some of the slugs that are attracted to those plants. Another thing too is a place for the birds and stuff to come in and actually get a drink of water. Butterflies, when you get you know, that muddy soil, they like to actually drink off of that muddy soil. So it's just, again, like a nice place to invite nature, and the kids are actually going to enjoy it. He's going fishing right now and playing with the little boat in the pond, so that's going to be pretty interesting to try to keep him away from that. But But again, it just brings a nice serenity here back in the backyard area. We can come out and enjoy the sound of water. That's one thing that we've always appreciated, is having that sound of water in the garden. But that's gonna do it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It's just a quick little pond setup. I'll link the description and the product info for the waterless pond down below if you want to order something like that. It was very inexpensive. I don't remember the price off the top of my head, but you'll see it in the link there. So that's gonna do it, guys. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Oh yeah! That was so cool though. Let's go in the water.
Is it a play area for you now? Yeah. Is this my garden or your garden?
My God.
Of course. How cool is that?